Every day, thousands of real estate listings, market reports, and property profiles are uploaded to the internet, creating a massive, chaotic web of disorganized data. Search engine crawlers are tasked with sorting through this noise, but if your site's data lacks a clear architectural logic, these crawlers struggle to parse and value your content. To determine what ranks, algorithms use a strict standard known as EEAT: experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. You may possess deep, hyper-local market expertise, but that expertise remains invisible to search engines if they cannot access and validate it through your site's code. Organizing this data structurally allows algorithms to read it efficiently. A clear hierarchy allows the crawler to sweep across the grid, lighting up nodes as it validates your information. Technical SEO is the architectural blueprint required to translate your human expertise into recognizable algorithmic authority. Mastering this infrastructure turns a static real estate website into an active engine for establishing definitive market dominance. The foundation of a highly optimized real estate website is a flat structure. This diagram compares a convoluted sitemap on the left to a flat structure on the right. Keeping pages within 3 clicks makes content accessible. This SEO pillar structure uses main pages as hubs, distributing authority down through subpages and listings. Without tight organization, you risk creating orphan pages, isolated sections lacking internal links. Because crawlers navigate via links, an orphan page is invisible. If crawlers can't find a path, the content isn't valued. To prevent this, you submit an XML sitemap through Google Search Console. A sitemap acts as a navigation guide, drawing pathways for crawlers to reach your most deep-seated content. While no tool can force a search engine to index every page, combining a pillar-based architecture with an active sitemap provides the clearest possible path for listings and reports to be discovered. Internal linking is the manual mechanism you use to build logical hierarchy within this structure. These links establish the physical pathways that crawlers follow to understand the specific context and relationship between your pages. The bridge connecting 2 pages is defined by its anchor text, the specific, clickable phrasing the user sees on the screen. Look at this featured communities page. The clickable hyperlink uses descriptive phrasing, like waterfront condos in the downtown district, rather than a generic button. Descriptive anchor text gives search engines precise context about the destination page before they even arrive. Generic labels like "click here" offer no architectural value. Descriptive links pass relevant context, boosting the visibility of deep property pages. Deliberate internal navigation connects these otherwise isolated listings, transforming them into a highly interconnected, powerful web of deep market relevance. A significant threat to your site's authority is duplicate content. Search engines prioritize unique information. In this visualization, identical text is cloned across 3 URLs. The crawler wastes resources scanning redundant paths, which can lead to your content being devalued. To help search engines identify the unique value of a page, use proper heading hierarchies like H1 and H2 tags. This structure creates clarity. When a crawler understands the primary topic, it efficiently distinguishes your original content. However, some duplication is unavoidable, such as when the same listing appears on multiple search result pages or in different comment sections. The technical solution for these specific instances is the no-index tag. Applying a no-index tag tells crawlers to explicitly ignore these redundant pages, preventing your site's authority from being diluted by technical overlaps. By managing duplicate content and strictly structuring your unique insights, you protect the authority of your domain. Beyond structure, algorithmic trust is heavily weighted by mechanical performance, specifically site speed. Slow load times lead to high mobile bounce rates. When users abandon a page before it loads, search engines interpret the site as poor quality, and rankings drop. This dashboard mirrors page speed insights. It displays perfect 100 out of 100 scores across desktop and mobile, representing ideal performance for real estate platforms. The most common bottleneck preventing these scores is unoptimized property imagery. Modern technical SEO requires compressing photos into next-generation standards, like the WebP format. As this photo passes through a WebP filter, the file payload shrinks dramatically, but the image remains crisp, allowing for high-quality visuals without sacrificing load speed. Alongside speed, security is a non-negotiable metric. HTTPS encryption is a baseline requirement when your site processes user passwords or lead data. Fast load speeds and airtight encryption convert a standard website into a trusted digital asset that search engines prefer to promote. Technical SEO is a living infrastructure that requires continuous monitoring. The essential diagnostic tool for tracking this health is Google Search Console. Within Search Console, the Indexing tab allows you to monitor successful pages and proactively identify crawl errors. While monitoring is vital, not every single technical error requires an immediate architectural overhaul. Before making severe changes to your site structure based on these reports, it is best to consult a technical SEO specialist. High EEAT depends on the marriage of authoritative content and a fast, secure, and logically structured environment. You can continuously refine your technical edge by utilizing the tutorials and webinars available in the RU Academy. A meticulously engineered digital architecture ensures your market authority remains visible, accessible, and consistently rewarded by the modern search landscape.